Today, I'm going to show you how to generate images with Claude Code totally for free. And the results will shock you. If you are ready, let's get started. There are 3 methods I want to show you today. But first, I want you to understand the power of generating images with Claude Code. Look at this example I built last week. I'll give Claude Code a simple prompt like this to run a pipeline on a story I created. Let's wait for a few minutes, and boom! We have a full story, same characters, consistent across all scenes, turned into a complete full HTML book. And this is just one example of what you can build with Claude Code image generation. And you are going to get this exact project for free by the end of this video. So you can generate your own stories with Claude Code. But first, I want you to understand how to enable image generation in Claude Code and show you the 3 levels of generating images within Claude Code. Let's start with level number 1. Watch this. Let's say generate a logo for a coffee shop with level 1 image generator. Let's wait a little bit and Claude generates our PNG image. Perfect. Here, Claude Code generates images by writing code, and it renders it as a PNG file. You can generate diagrams, charts, social media graphics, logos, many things with this level. And without using any expensive AI image models. And honestly, it's way more accurate. And what I did is I turned this into a Claude skill. You can see it here. So you can easily use and generate images with. And you get it also for free by the end of this video. Okay, now let's jump into level 2 image generation in Claude Code. Let's try this one. A rocket launch station, Pixar style, 16:9 aspect ratio. Let's wait a little bit, and here we are, the generated PNG. Somehow, it's like level 1, it's code driven, but look at this output. We have 3D renders powered by JavaScript libraries, like Three.js and others. You don't have to worry about this, you just need to use the skill I created for you. So still, we are not using any AI image models here. And you can see here some more examples of what the level 2 image generation can do. It's really awesome. Now it's time to see level 3, which is real image generation. And here where the magic begins. So what we'll do first is to go to Cloudflare, create an account, a free account, and then go to Workers AI. They give you real image models, including Flux. And the good news, you get 10,000 credits every single day. Cloudflare calls them neurons, and it resets every day. Again, what I did to make things simple for you, I created the implementation as a skill in the project so you can consume easily. Look at this example. Generate an image of a cozy bookstore cafe on a rainy evening, warm lights in the window. Let's wait a few seconds, and here we are. That's a real AI image from a real model generated for free, right from Claude Code. All you need is to set your Cloudflare keys in the .env file, and that's it. Perfect. So now you know Claude Code can generate images with level 1, 2, and now real AI image generation totally for free. But I want you now to level up one more time and go back to the story generator I showed you at the beginning, because this is the real power I want you to understand. Claude Code connected with custom skills plus image generation models running as a full pipeline. In this project, I built multiple skills that run in a sequence. You can see them here. And if the word skill is new to you, a skill is just a recipe you say for Claude Code, like a set of prompts and instructions so Claude can follow to achieve a specific task. In our case, generating a full storybook. And the skills I created here simply takes a story, a draft, and generates the full characters, full scenes, consistent across all the story, and even generates the voice-overs with 11 Labs API. Now, one thing I want to be honest with here, in this project, the story generator, to get the exact quality you see here, I'm using more powerful models like Gemini and Seedream. But the point isn't the model. The point is in the combination. Combining Claude Code with skills plus APIs working together, that's the engine. And that's what I want you to understand from this video. If you understand this, just imagine what we can build. So the tools are free, the models are cheap. The only rare thing left is knowing how to combine them to achieve your specific task. And if you want to learn how I build projects like this and how to build with AI yourself, which is the most important skill in 2026 and beyond, check out my full course in the description below. The free project, the full guide, the skills, everything mentioned is totally for free, linked below too. If you learned something new today, smash the like button and see you in the upcoming videos.